Oh, kumusta na ang planong Hong Kong Disneyland this year? Planchado na ba? Planado na ba? O hesitant ka pang mag-book dahil baka mahal? I will give you tips on how I able to book cheaper flights going to Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay? So here's my number one tip. First thing you have to do in order for you to find a cheaper flights is you go to Google Flights. Okay, you just type googleflights.com sa laptop or sa Google Chrome niyo and ito yung lilitaw. Okay? So you have to pin kung anong airport ang gusto nyo. It's either Clark or ano man, Manila. And for me, it's Angeles to Hong Kong kasi ang pinakamalapit na airport sa amin is Clark Airport. And then, why I choose July 17? Since budgetary mom ako, so hindi ko kaya ang napakamahal na holiday ticket. So remember that pag holiday sa atin or holiday sa Hong Kong or like Chinese New Year or summer sa kanila, mas mahal ang ticket. Yun, when we visited Hong Kong Disneyland, I made sure na walang masyadong tao and carry yung weather ng mga anak ko kaya kasi summer noon and hindi pa summer vacation ng mga Chinese or Cantonese sa Hong Kong. Kaya sabi ko, walang masyadong tao. And then, bakasyon pa nila. So, hindi masyadong mahal ang ticket. At the same time, hindi marami ang tao considering napakainit noon or summer sa Hong Kong. Pero since alam ko na kayang-kaya ng mga anak ko ang init dahil mainit din naman sa Pilipinas, so doon ako nag-book ng ticket, July. Okay? So yan. So you can also book but you have to make sure kung talagang budget, nasa within the budget lang ang ticket ninyo, huwag kayong pipili ng holiday or weekend. So during our visit in Hong Kong, alam ko pumili ako ng Tuesday to Friday na flight para mas mura. Because always remember, ang pinakamurang ticket is within weekdays, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright? So that's one tip ko sa inyo. So here's another tip. So after you able to check kung ano pinaka cheaper flights sa Google Flights and then you have to go to Cebu Pacific kung siya yung pinaka cheaper flight. Pero usually kasi ang pinapakita ni Google Flight, mostly ang pinaka cheap is si Cebu Pacific. And personally, lahat ng mga trips ko, it's either mostly is Cebu Pacific or AirAsia. Pero since si Cebu Pacific ang mas maraming cheaper flights, so doon ako. Okay? So ayan, nakikita nyo na magre-reflect again. You have to key in your desired airport of departure and syempre yung Hong Kong International Airport kung sa Hong Kong kayo and your desired date na kiniin niyo kanina kay Google Flights. So example ito. So July 2025, ayan, July 17, 699 and then yung return niyo is July 21, 699. But I would like to remind you na hindi pa yan ang totoong price ng ticket. Yan pa lang ang price ng ticket pero yung mga add-on niya, yung mga admin, yung mga oil, yung mga ano, wala pa dyan. So yung nakita niyo kanina kay Google Flight na around 5,499, so roughly ganun din siya. Okay? Kung nakikita niyo ganyan, medyo mahal na ng konti kasi dyan yung ano na ngayon, February. So kung medyo mas maaga pa kayong magbubook, ma-decide ninyo na sige, July, pwede na akong mag-leave, okay na yung mga bata, ayos na lahat on July. Mas maganda, you plan ahead. Maganda 1 year before or so, basta mag-post na may mag-post na si Cebu Pacific or makita ninyo sa Google Flight, meron na mga flights available na cheap. Kasi i-provide naman yan, ipapakita naman sa inyo ni Google Flight kung ano yung top 5 na pinakamurang flights na meron dun sa desired date ninyo and destination. Okay? So, ayan. And make sure how to pay is, dati pwede pa 7-Eleven, but I think now hindi na pwede. So, it's either a credit card or GCash. Ayan, okay? So, pinagplanuhan yan. So, make sure mabilis kayo. Ang pinaka-tip kasi dyan is, kailangan planado na and may budget na kasi habulan lang ng pinakamurang ticket sa Cebu Pacific. Alright? So those are my tips on how you can avail cheaper flights going to your desired destination or specifically at the Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay? So again, today is my day 27 of my 30 days challenge and I will see you tomorrow on another series of travel tips on how you can avail cheaper flights, accommodations, and activities. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you!